A lot of them are really thinking about going in this kind of career, so they like coming here and keep practicing welding, alignments, tires.
Working on cars is one of the main things I'm excited about during my school days. It helps me understand more topics better, push through problems that maybe I get frustrated on. I always try to push through it, and that kind of applies to different classes as well.
So for me, I'm not really a fan of going to school as much because I'm a really hands-on learner. Sitting in a classroom gets kind of difficult sometimes, but this is one of the classes that I always want to show up to and that I like showing up to because I get to learn what I'm passionate about and the stuff that's interesting, so what I can build a career out of.
And some of them are going in the industry. I just got a call yesterday from one of the dealers in town, and they hired a couple of our guys from last year. So I'm proud because it's working, and that's the whole idea.
I've been able to network with a couple companies and talk to people about future job offers, such as dealerships like the Dolan Toyota.
So I do have guest speakers just about every month. They'll come over. I had Bill Pierce Motors come over. I had the Dolans come over, and we also have taken field trips to get these guys getting the real life skill, what it's like to be in a job. I think it's working.